this is the lecture number 4 for the chapter Statistics of class 10th, and in this lecture we'll discuss the median. Now the median of a data is the value of the middlemost observation. Middlemost means exactly middle value of the given observation. So for finding the median of the ungrouped data, suppose the data is ungrouped, then how you have to find the median? First of all, we arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Then if the number of observation is odd, then the median will be n plus 1 upon 2th observation. If the number of observation is odd, then the median will be n plus 1 upon 2th observation, and if n is even, then the median will be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2, that is the average of the two middlemost observation will be the median of the given data if the number of observation is even. Now for finding the median of the group data, suppose the data is grouped, then we find the cumulative frequency distribution, that is the middlemost observation cannot be found by looking at the cumulative frequency, that is the CF, as the middlemost observation will be some value in the class interval. Therefore it is necessary to find the value inside the class that divide the whole observation in the two halves. So to find this, we find the cumulative frequency of all the classes and n by 2, where n is the total observation. Now we locate a class where cumulative frequency is greater than the nearest n by 2. This is called the median class. You will able to understand this when we'll do the question. So the median for the group data when the class interval is given is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency upon f into h. See this formula carefully. L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency upon f into h. Now what is the L? L is the lower limit of the median class. Suppose, first of all, you will find the median class. Then n is the number of total observation, and cumulative frequency f is the cumulative frequency of the class interval preceding to the median class. Preceding to the median class. F is the frequency of the median class and h is the class size. So this is the formula to find the median of the group data. Now there is an empirical formula which gives the relationship between the median, mode and mean. Now 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. You have to learn this relationship. That is, or you can write mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So this is the concept of median. If it is ungrouped data, arrange in ascending or descending order, and if it is a group data with class interval, then first of all you arrange it. First of all, find the median class, then you have to find L and cumulative frequency f and h, where cumulative frequency is the median cumulative frequency of the median class, and f is the frequency of the median class, and h is the class size, and cumulative frequency is the cumulative preceding to the median class. CF is the cumulative frequency of the preceding to the median class interval preceding to the median class. Now in question number 1 of the exercise 14.3, in this question it is given that monthly consumption of some article is given in units and the number of consumers are given. You have to find the median as well as the mean of this given data. Median as well as the mean of this given data. So to find the median, first of all, this data is given 65 to 85 consumption units. The number of consumers are 4. If the monthly consumption is 85 to 105, the number of consumers are 5. 105 to 125, the number of consumers are 13, and so on. So first of all, we have to find the cumulative frequency table. Now how you have to find the cumulative frequency? You know it. First of all, you put this first frequency as same as this, that is 4. Then you have to add this to this, you will get this 9. Then you have to add to this 13, you will get 22. When you add to this 22 the next frequency, it will be equal to 44. Then for 14 is added to 42 is equal to 56. When 8 is added to 56 is equal to 64. When 4 is added to this, it will be equal to 68. So this is the cumulative frequency table. Now first of all, again I am telling you how to find the cumulative frequency. The first cumulative frequency will same as the frequency. When you add this next frequency to this, you will get this next cumulative frequency. When you add this to this, you will get the next, that is 22. When you add this to this, you will get the next. When you add this to this, that is 42 plus 14 is equal to 56. 56 plus 8 is equal to 64. And 64 plus 8 is equal to 68. This is the cumulative frequency table. Now how you have to find the median class? To find the median class, the total n is 68. N is equal to, that is total frequency is equal to 68, or we can say summation fi, it is equal to 68. That is, you have to first of all find n by 2, which is equal to 34, and you have to find in which this class interval this 34 lies. Now up to this class interval, the number of consumers are 22, and from 23 to 42 consumer are in this interval, and this 34 is lying in this class interval. So this is known as the median class. This is the median class. Because this n by 2, that is 34, lies in this class interval of 125 to 145. That is because the number of consumers from 23 to 42 lie in this class interval. So this is the median class. So after finding the median class, we can easily find the L, that is lower limit of the median class, which is equal to 125. Then CF, the cumulative frequency of the preceding class interval, that is this will be equal to CF, and F will be the frequency of the median class, that is this will be equal to F. And H is the class size, which is upper limit minus lower limit, which is equal to 20. So you have to put in this formula of the median, that is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency upon F into H. So L is 125, n by 2 is 34, C is 22, F is 20, and H is class size. Simplified, it is 137 is the median of this data. Now for the same data, you have to find the mean also. So again, these two columns are given. First of all, you have to find the class marks, which is denoted by xi, which is equal to lower limit plus upper limit upon 2, which is 75. 65 plus 85 upon 2 will be equal to 75, and so on. 85 plus 105 divided by 2, 95. 105 plus 125 divided by 2, it is equal to 115. 25 plus 145 divided by 2, it will be 135, and so on. After that, you have to find di, which is equal to xi minus assumed mean, and assumed mean is obtained from the class mark, that is xi 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So exactly middle one will be taken as the assumed mean, that is 135. So xi minus 135, so xi is 75 minus 135 is equal to minus 60. 95 minus 135 is equal to minus 40. 115 minus 135 is equal to minus 20. 135 minus 135 is equal to 0. 155 minus 135 is equal to 20. 175 minus 135 is equal to 640, and 195 minus 135 is equal to 60. So this is di. After that, you have to find ui, which is equal to xi minus assumed mean upon h. So you have to simply divide. Class size here is 85 minus 65, that is 20. You have to divide it by 20, this column, that is minus 60 divided by minus 20, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. I've already told you the order. Yeah, always obtain this. Start from 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Or if we are getting minus 3, then minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then you have to find the column of FI UI, which is obtained by multiplying this column with this frequency fi. So 4 into minus 3 minus 12, 5 into minus 2 is equal to minus 10, 13 into minus 1 is equal to minus 13, 20 into 0 is equal to 0, 14 into 1 is equal to 14, 8 into 2 is equal to 16, 4 into 3 is equal to, that is 12. Add this, simplify it, you are getting as 7. So mean is A plus Fi summation Fi ui upon summation Fi into h. Replace in this formula, you are getting the mean as 137.06 is the mean of this given data. So like this, you can easily find the mean, median or mode of the group data, whatever is being found. So in question number 2 of the same exercise, it is given that this data is given, that is class interval is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 5x, 20, 15, y and 5. That is two unknown frequencies are given as x and y, and the total frequency is given as 60. You can read this from your book, and the median of this data is given as 28.5. So in this data, the two unknown frequency you have to find, and the median is given, which is equal to 28.5. So you have to find this unknown. So because the median is given, so it means you have to find this column of cumulative frequency, which is obtained as I already told you in the last question. The first frequency, cumulative frequency, will be the first frequency as it is, the 5 as it is 5. So add this to this, you will get this, that is 5 plus x. When you add this to this, you will get next, that is 5 plus x plus 20 will be 25 plus x. Then add 15 to this, it will be 25 plus 15, 40 plus x. Then add to this, it will be 40 plus x plus y, and add 5 to this, it will be 40 plus x plus y plus 5, that is 45. And total frequency is given as 60. Now because the median is equal to 28.5, so it will lie in this class interval. So this will be the median class. 28.5 is lying in this 20 to 30. So the median class will be this class interval. So from this we can easily find this is equal to low L, that is the lower limit. H is the class size, that is 30. 20 to 30 is 10. Class size is 10 here. The CF will be the cumulative frequency of the preceding class interval, that is 5 plus x, and F is the frequency of the median class, which is equal to 20, and replace this values in the this formula L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Median is given as 28.5, L is given as 20, lower limit of the median class, n by 2 will be 60 by 2, that is 30, CF will be equal to 5 plus x, 50 plus x, 5 plus x, F is the frequency of the median class, which is equal to 20, and H is the class size, which is equal to 10 here. So simplified, 10 cancel out the 2, cross multiply this is equal to minus this 8.5, multiply this by 2, that is 16, and you are getting the value of x is equal to 8. Simplify this, x is equal to 8. Now this all is equal to 60. 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15 plus y plus 5 is equal to 60. All this is equal to 60. We know the value of x as 8. Put it the value of x as 8, you will get the value of y as 7. So this is how you can obtain the two unknown frequencies when the median is given. So we'll discuss the remaining question in the next lecture. Thank you.